Okay, good day, grade 3B. Okay, this is the last video for today, also the third video that I have made for you. And the first topic in this video is about astronaut. Actually, Teacher Fia didn't want to talk about astronaut, but some of the kids that already joined my Zoom meeting a while ago, we already learned about this. Then I will make sure that we don't have to learn about this again in the next week. So let's just share and study about some facts about the astronaut. Okay, kid, let's see over here. The astronaut is a people who explore space. So if you want to know that the people that go to outer space or spaceship is actually called as astronaut. Okay, is there my kids over here that like to be astronaut? Of course, maybe some of you will want to go to be the astronaut. Okay, now the second is the moon is the only place in spaceship that people have visited. Okay, based on our book, the moon is the only place in spaceship that people have visited. Oh, but why do we have to know too many things about spaceship? Like a lot of pictures that have been taken from NASA. I guess it's from the satellite that has been sent over there. It's not from the people itself. Okay, now the third information about the astronaut, that people cannot live on the moon because there are, okay, what do you think, everyone? It's actually based on this question. Astronauts have visited the moon, but we cannot live on the moon yet. Why do you think it is? Okay, so people cannot live on the moon because there are, of course, there are not water, air, oxygen, food, and etc. We already talked about this, so you can write everything that you want. Okay, kids, let's continue. Okay, look after the question. Talk to a partner. Imagine that you are going to the moon. What will you need? Tick the things you will take with you. Talk about what you will use there. Okay, let's see. This is a bottle of water. Do we need that? If we want to go to the moon, of course we need water, right? Okay, you should take it. How about smartphone? Can we use that in outer space? We can do this we will not use this smartphone. After all, where's the signal over there? Okay, this is about the oxygen cylinder. Okay, do we need oxygen over there? Of course, because there's no oxygen in the outer space. How about a toilet paper? Of course we need that because we need to do equation, right? How about the food? Of course we need that. How about the tent? Actually, kids, if you think about the tent itself, we don't need a tent because, you know, if we go with, I don't know, but maybe a space plane or something, that what it's called. If we go over there, should we build a tent inside of the space plane? I guess it's not so bad. If there's a place to sleep, if this actually refers to the place to sleep, you need this. But if there's not, you don't need this because it's actually a tent. Teacher Fia will cross it. But a place to sleep is actually need in the outer space. Okay, this one this one is matches, right? Do we need matches in the outer space? Of course not. Or we will burn everything. We are inside the outer plane, or space plane. We don't need this. Okay, how about sunglasses? We need that. Okay, sometimes when you go outside your space plane, you need sunglasses because it can help your eyes getting burned with a lot of sunlight. Okay, kids, so I will check this. Okay, now after finishing this one, please move to another pages. Okay kids, now we are going to answer the question from pages 154. Okay, actually the material is about why you can see the moon at night. And Teacher Via already give you the material in previous video about some facts about the moon. Right now, just focus to answer this question. Okay, choose from these words. Okay, number 1, the moon moves around. Right, the moon moves around the earth. We already talked about this. Okay, we scratch the earth. And then 2, the moon does not make its own. Of course, is like sun does, because the moon is not the stars. Remember, the moon is actually get this, the light from the sun. Yeah. Number 3, we can see the moon at night because it reflects the light of the is of the sun shining onto the moon, and our sun and other stars make their own light. Okay kids, that's the answer from these pages. Okay, and right now we will finish all of the workbook pages for today. Let's move to some of the pages from the workbook. Okay kids, right now we will discussing about page 71 from workbook. So what they ask us to do is you can fill these boxes based on what is the solar system and that close to the earth or close to the sun. Okay, right now we will fill it together. Okay kids? Okay, let's see. The first things, what is planet have to place in this? The closest planet to the sun. What planet here? Right, it's Mercury. Oops, you can see. Okay, this is Mercury. Okay, how about the second closest to the sun? And it will be, right, Venus. And then Earth, and then follow, right, the closest planet to the Earth, Mars. And then follow Jupiter. Follow the beautiful Saturn. And then following Uranus. And then the last one will be Neptune. Very good. Okay, keep this all the planet in our solar system, and only Earth that has living things on it. Okay, living things in it. Okay, kids. Now you already know about the solar system. Please make sure that you can memorize this well. That might be in the last examination. This will be the question. Okay, let's move on. Okay, now we will continue to page 72 of the workbook. Okay, Teacher Fia will write it over here. Page 72. Okay, let's see. What do you see in each picture? Color the correct in the correct word under each picture. Okay, kids, can you see this one is the sun, and this one is the tiny little things. Okay, Mercury, Venus, of course, is Earth, everyone. Okay, you can color this. Okay, make sure that you shade it, because you know if we coloring the written will be not appear. So let's continue for letter B. Okay, which kind of planet is this? What planet is this? Of course, is always Earth. Okay, how about letter C? What do you see in this picture? Okay, because the space is the surface is like the rock and is not smooth, so of course is moon surface. Okay, let's shade it. And then for the letter D, how about, can you see this? What is this? An astronaut on the moon or an astronaut on the sun? Okay, based off our book, the moon is the only place that have visited, so it will be an astronaut on the moon. Okay, let's move on to the second section. Okay, let's read the question. There are a lot of stars in the sky, but the Earth has only one moon. And the second question will be, the moon looks bright at night. Okay, very good. The moon does not make its own light. It reflects light from the sun. We already discussed this, right? The moon is made of what, everyone? Yes, right. It's a rock. Okay, kids, this is for today's lesson. This is all that for today. Okay, make sure that you finish and fill all the pages that have been discussed in my 1 until 3rd video, and submit in the assignment. You don't have to think, you don't have to do anything, only write the answer and then submit it to my Google Classroom. Okay, I will post the assignment later on, so kids, make sure that you finish your quiz. I will post the quiz, it's only 2 pages, and we will meet again next week. Okay kids, bye bye.